Hi everyone, Paula here from Goes to 11 Media, bringing you another episode of Grounds for Divorce Coffee Reviews, and I'm joined by the Rickster.
Hello. Also known as?
Batman?
Also known as? What my dad used to always call me.
Troublemaker. I like that shirt.
That's a great shirt. I love it. You got me some really cool new shirts for Christmas. Thank you very much.
Yes.
Hope that everybody had a wonderful Christmas and New Year's, and we're off to 2022.
Yes.
Turning the page, so to speak.
Indeed.
And on to some fun stuff.
Yes.
What have we got today?
Well, today we're doing a traditional coffee review. Where we're actually trying a coffee and reviewing it.
Go figure it.
Well, we kind of did a bunch of different things toward the end of last year.
Mix it up.
Yeah.
It's fun. I like it.
It is, actually.
So what do we have?
So today we have a very popular, well-known brand, Kicking Horse Coffee.
Kicking Horse makes some really good coffees.
They do. They know coffee.
And in fact, they were so good they got bought out by Lavazza there a few years ago.
Yeah, that's pretty amazing.
Yeah. I'll take that paycheck.
So we've never tried this one.
No.
Pacific Pipeline.
Makes me want to go surfing.
Full-bodied tropical exotic. And it's Indonesian, Central, and South American origins.
Okay. And it's a medium.
Correct.
Awesome. All
Yes.
right. What do we start with?
So, let's start with the pour over.
Sure. And some new mugs courtesy of your mom for Christmas. Thank you very much, Maria.
My sweet
This is our older ones. You can see Gigantor. I love it. I love it. You know what? The big mugs are just so great.
Yes.
You know? And again, they're the glass double-walled insulated, so it's like no problemo. Even when it's boiling hot, they do a great job, and you can get those in our store at groundsfordivorcecoffee.ca and groundsfordivorcecoffee.store. So you can check that out.
Okay.
Shameless plug. Anyways.
Give it a try.
Oh, that's nice. Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's not, it doesn't hit you too hard. There's definitely some bright notes to it, but it's good. I like it.
So you could drink that on its own?
I could. It's very good.
Has a nice aroma. Kind of light,
I haven't actually had
but rich at the same time.
a bad coffee from Kicking Horse, actually. I think I've pretty much enjoyed all their stuff.
That is very nice. Mm-hmm. Hits you with flavor. Like,
It does.
Don't let the medium fool you.
It's good, though. I like it.
Very nice. So, I've also done a French press. I was just curious. Some blends are great just as a pour over or a French press, whereas others are good as an espresso. And what I've found is if they're good as an espresso, they're usually good as a pour over. But sometimes certain blends as a pour over that were good don't necessarily transfer over to tasting all that flavorful.
Yep. And that was even
A latte.
confirmed by our friends at Lions Bay.
Yes.
We were talking about that basically just because it's a coffee doesn't mean you can put it as an espresso.
Correct.
You know, you
And
have
they
to know what
had
you're doing.
excellent coffee too.
They did. I think we're finally out.
We are.
Hey, James, we're out.
All right, so let's
this-
try the French press. So steeped it for 4 minutes.
Wow, it's different. It's a lot different, actually.
Well, because with the pour over, the water hits the grounds and goes through fairly quickly. Whereas that sat, the water sat,
Try that.
the ground sat in the water for 4 minutes.
Or the water sat in the ground. So, hey,
Oh yeah.
it's a lot different, right? I think what it did is it rounded over. Remember, because we said that there's a lot of flavor to it, and it comes at you pretty quick. It sort of rounded that over a little bit to me.
Yes. I found this the pour over a little more punchy.
This is a little more, almost muted a little bit, like softened.
But still flavorful. I feel it's not as acidic. Is that kind of weird?
Yeah, and I would say this is, in this format, is more drinkable than that other one.
That's interesting because I would have thought the opposite.
Yeah.
But interesting.
It was really
yeah,
good.
that's really cool. I think we might need to invest in a nice French press.
Oui.
Okay, I'm gonna try the latte.
Now, what do you got? Whoa, wait a minute. Hold on.
What?
What do you got in the latte? What are you using?
3.25% lactose-free milk.
Okay. Right.
And then that's it.
Okay.
It's very good.
Is it flavored? Nothing?
No.
Oh, okay.
I actually, for a latte, that's really nice. You've got
For a latte, that's really nice. What does that mean?
It's got flavor.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it didn't dilute it too much, but it's
No, you still have the coffee flavor in there. It's very enjoyable. Creamy.
Oh yeah, that's nice.
Creamy. It actually works as a latte, in my opinion. All right, there you have it.
You can bang that one down. That's really tasty, actually.
Oh no.
Oh no! Is the nose starting to drip?
It's because of the hot coffees.
Oh no! Turn the tap on.
You'll have to edit that out.
No.
Yeah.
No. That's the fun of being an editor. Creative license. All right. There you go. Thank you very much. Those are good.
Thank you.
That was a real to the point kind of a video. It was good.
Yeah, it was nice.
You know, not a lot of mucking about. It was
No.
good coffee. Good. So bring these back. Bring
That's
the other one back.
over. This is the.
I would say
call it a steeped.
Good. Better. I'm a latte guy, so I'm going to say best. But I'm going to say that actually either of these are drinkable. As I said at the start, I could drink this as a pour over just on its own. It's punchy, but it gets a little bit more muted with this way, and it's something that I'd probably say I would probably prefer it this way because then it makes it a little more drinkable for me.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Thanks.
Well, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little reminder bell. Please tell your friends and family about this channel. We're really trying to grow it out here. Got some cool stuff coming online with it. And we already told you about the stores, so I'm not even going to tell you that a second time. You can go back and see it. But thank you very much. We wish you guys the best in 22, and we will see you back here next week with another review.
Yes. Ciao, ciao.